Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on streamlining sales and support operations with Omnichannel communication platform. I'm Shubham, and I'll be your host for today. We have a valuable session planned for you where we'll explore how an omnichannel platform can transform your sales and support operations. I'm excited to introduce our guest speaker for today, Shelly. Hi, Shelly. How are you doing?
Hi Shubham, I'm doing well. Hi everyone, I'm excited to be here as a guest speaker and share my thoughts. I hope everyone has something to take away from this session.
Yeah. Shelly is Inside Sales Manager at ControlHippo. Shelly brings a wealth of experience in driving sales efficiency and customer engagement. And we are thrilled to have you over here, Shelly.
Likewise.
Also joining, we have Saloni. Hi, Saloni. How are you doing?
Hi Shubham, doing good. Thank you everyone for joining today. Looking forward to interacting with you all.
Great, great. Saloni is an account executive at ControlHippo who will guide us through the practical applications of ControlHippo's omnichannel platform. And before we dive into the content, let me quickly walk you through today's agenda. Firstly, we'll be understanding about the challenges of fragmented communication. Then we'll understand about omnichannel communication. Next, importance of customer interaction, integrating multiple communication channels, linking CRM with ControlHippo, enhancing sales and support efficiency, improving customer interactions and response times, staying updated on communication trends, followed by Q&A session. Now, I'd like to invite guest speaker Shelly to walk us through some of the key challenges business face with fragmented communication. Yeah,
Thank you,
Shelly, over
Shubham.
to you.
Before going into the depth of consequences of fragmented communication and inefficiency involved around it, I would like to focus on defining it for all the webinar attendees. Fragmented communication occurs when communication within an organization is scattered across multiple platforms, be it various channels, departments, which are not integrated properly and without any consistency. It can involve usage of various tools, be it phone calls, emails, messaging app, and social media without a centralized system that can manage and track conversation, eventually leading to disjointed exchange of information. While I'm explaining this and we are discussing about the fragmented communication setup, I would also want to understand from the pool of attendees that what's the common challenges that they are facing in terms of managing sales and support communication. So I would wait for 30 seconds in terms of understanding about the response of it so we can address each and everything accordingly. So I can see responses coming in itself. So some of the people are mentioning the most common challenge is the lack of automation. For some, it's the slow response time. Some have marked it as disconnected channels. I think all in all, the challenges of fragmented setup is the cumulative summation of all these things. We're going to address this and look into this session as we progress ahead one by one. As a sales manager leading a team of 10-15 reps, I can tell you firsthand how fragmented communication can seriously slow us down. We waste so much time just trying to find information scattered across multiple platforms. It's really frustrating. It leads to duplicated efforts, whereas some of the team members might be working on the same task without even realizing it. Poor collaboration is another big problem, especially when different teams are using separate tools, which causes the delay in the decision making. When things are not simplified, things are not streamlined, everything is being managed on separate tools, the decision making is a very tough job to do because no one is on the same page. And let's not forget the impact of all this on the end customer, which is super important in a business setup. When communication is fragmented, they end up getting inconsistent responses and experiencing longer wait time, which definitely does not help in building out the trust for the customers. On top of all these things, fragmented communication means reduced accountability. So no one actually knows who's following up on what, and it increases the risk of errors because everything is scattered. The information is available in bits and pieces and is on multiple location, not in a particular binded place. It's demoralizing for the team also. Constantly switching between tools feels like chasing your own tail. And then comes the security risk when sensitive information is floating across multiple platforms. If we want to scale efficiently, there is a need for a unified communication platform that brings everything together on one platform, eliminating these inefficiencies. makes up the entire business process more productive, and helps the companies provide a better experience, both internally and for our customers. With that said, I think this sets up the stage in terms of understanding why omnichannel communication really matters. And I can understand that Saloni can be able to add some light to it and explain to us why exactly omnichannel communication is so important.
Thanks, Shelly, for the great insights. Yeah, so now let's take a ride and explore how a unified communication platform can help you in elevating your business and streamlining your business operations. So I suppose everyone present over here will agree with me that today every customer comes with the expectation of receiving seamless customer experience at the channel of their choice, right? Be it WhatsApp, email, Instagram, or any other social media channel. Customers always look out for a proactive resolution to their queries with the minimal waiting time. So, taking all these challenges into consideration, we have devised an omni-channel communication platform which is ControlHippo. So, now what ControlHippo does is it allows your businesses to add their sales and support team under one roof. Further, after adding the agents to the platform, it integrates with the channel of your choice, be it any communication channel, and making it easier for your sales and support reps to cater to the customer queries seamlessly and streamlines your sales and support activities. So instead of managing disparate channels and hampering your customer interaction, you can just simply add in your sales and support agents and then your communication channel to ControlHippo and expedite your customer interactions in no time. So now here the question lies, why is customer interaction so important? Okay, so as Shelly rightly said and explained that how hopping from one channel to another channel hampers the customer experience and becomes a hassle for the support and the sales team as well. And we all will agree over here that be it smaller organization or be it larger businesses, customer interaction plays a pivotal role in the success of every business today. And to help you in this journey, Control Hippo allows you and all the businesses across multiple industries to provide proactive and personalized customer service. So, what you need to do is just add in your agents to the platform, add the channels to the platform, and boom, you're right there to serve your customer 24/7. And it not only allows you to do personalized messaging, but it also allows you to run different type of marketing campaigns, different type of promotional campaigns targeting the audiences across the globe. So it is not just limited to the sales ecosystem or the support ecosystem. Even the marketing team can leverage the platform. It will help them in engaging with the wider audiences and also help them in generating the leads, which can further be taken forward by the sales team, nurture their and strive for the closure. So this will not only improve the customer response time for the support team, but it will also allow the sales team to chase the customers and improve the conversion rate exponentially. Now, let us see that which all channels can be added to the platform. Okay, so as you all can see on the screen right now, the Control Hippo is pre-integrated with some of the widely used communication channels, be it your personal WhatsApp, be it business WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, Google RCS. We support all the platforms. So now the question arises over here, do we actually need all these channels under one roof? Yeah, so the answer is yes, definitely. So here I'd like to shed some light and share one of the case studies wherein the businesses are leveraging WhatsApp, email, and chat support for managing the communication with the end customer. So the chat support is used by the support team and the WhatsApp channel is also used by the support team. So now it becomes a struggle for them to hop in from one channel to another channel to cater to the number of customer queries in a day. This might result into delay of customer responses. And as we all know that no customer likes to wait, right? They just want immediate solution to every query right away. So instead of managing the disparate system, they decided to unify the platform and decided to leverage Control Hippo to bring in all the agents and the channel to one platform. And by adding this, it allowed them to improve their customer response time significantly, because what happened is they automated few workflows, and also it resulted into a better customer response time, not only for the support team, but if we take sales team into consideration, and myself being from the sales team itself, I totally understand that how it is important to keep chasing on your customers to strive for the closure, right? So jumping from one platform, struggling to go to another platform, keep a constant follow updates ready. So it's like what we do over here is we automate your follow-ups and help you in timely follow-up, so that you don't miss out on any follow-up, and which results into increased conversion rate. However, the concern of every business these days is centralized data management and how they can bridge the gap between the platform and the CRM system. So here we'll take a look that which all CRM systems are being integrated with ControlHippo. Okay, so as we can see on the screen, and I would say that this is the biggest advantage of the ControlHippo, that it is already pre-integrated with the leading CRM players in the business, including HubSpot, Pipedrive, Monday, Salesforce, Bittrex, among others. Now the question is, what about the other CRMs which are not listed over here and we are using it? So yeah, we do also have a solution for that. We provide you with the webhooks. What it will do is it will allow you to integrate the platform with the CRM of your choice. So by integrating with the CRM, you are bridging the gap between the platform, and it is allowing you to get the 360-degree view of your customer interaction. So whichever the conversations will be happening will get synced into the CRM in the real time. Also, instead of like juggling from one channel to another channel, we also provide you with the click to chat functionality. What happens is you can directly chat with your customer right within the CRM itself. So you don't need to navigate to different platforms to ensure the timely follow-ups to cater to the support tickets. You can directly start the conversation from CRM itself. Now, let's say there's an instance wherein the sales team missed out on the follow up. So, as we all know, that it directly impacts your sale and the success of the business, right? So, to improve your conversion rate and for the better lead qualification, we even provide you with the automated workflows. This will ensure that the timely follow ups are being sent to the customers, and it will prevent out from missing out on the potential leads. Okay, so this is how the entire ecosystem with respect to the CRM works. So now I'll pass on the sledge to Shelly, who will be enlightening us on how we can enhance the sales and the support efficiency. Over to you, Shelly.
Thank you, Saloni. I think it was pretty much insightful in terms of understanding the current challenges with fragmented structure and how omnichannel solution like ControlHippo really solves this by centralizing everything into one single unified system. Whether it's email, whether it's phone call, whether it's chat or social media, everything I can see that it flows into one platform, which means no more loss of context. And teams can now respond faster and more accurately. Talking about how it helps in the enhancement of sales and support, I'm coming from the sales background. I can tell that for the sales team, this translates to significant time saving. With automated workflows, follow-ups, and reminders, SDR and AEs can focus on what they do the best. So none of the salespeople, they want to do those administrative tasks. Everyone just want to run for getting in the new closures. And because ControlHippo integrates with variety of CRMs, sales rep always have the latest insights with respect to the customer information, with respect to the website analytics available in just one click, allowing for more personalized, more customized, and impactful conversation. ControlHippo has truly transformed the way we used to work at CallHippo. And I'm excited to share that with all of you today. Before we started using ControlHippo, our team was struggling with juggling on multiple tools, email here, calls there, and chats all over the place. It was a mess. And frankly, it was impacting both our sales conversion and our response time on the support side. ControlHippo has truly transformed the way we used to work. And after we implemented this, things really moved very fast. All our communication channels are now centralized in one place. This integration has made a world of difference for us. On the sales side, we have seen conversions going up because now reps can focus on converting the deals. SDRs are more inclined towards getting more sales using the new channel that we added through the use of the omnichannel platform ControlHippo. We can have more personalized conversation with the people, and that really helps in getting more meetings, getting more conversion. On the support side, the response time have dramatically increased. Control Hippo's automated workflows ensure tickets are getting routed to the right person. And since now agents have complete visibility of the customer interaction, they're able to resolve things pretty much quickly for the existing customers, and they are able to focus more on the high priority tickets. Apart from these, the advanced analytics that these omni-channel solution provide plays a very important role. Personally, for me, I have been able to spot trends, identify bottlenecks, continuously improve the team's efficiency. So, all in all, if I summarize all this, it has truly helped in terms of the sales conversion and in terms of reducing the time earlier, the impact it was having on the customer experience, that has also improved by the application of the omnichannel solution. Saloni, how do you stay updated on communication trend with an omnichannel solution like ControlHippo?
So as you rightly said, that Control Hippo has been a game changer for us as well, for the sales team and for the Control Hippo support team as well. So we use the platform day in and day out, and we are seeing a tremendous results when it comes to customer response time. It has definitely been reduced, because what happens is we leverage different templates, we have automated responses. So this is also speeding up our sales process as well. So yeah, here I like to shed some light that the platform not only supports the personal WhatsApp, but it also supports business WhatsApp and other channels as well. So broadcasting campaigns taking this into consideration. So what we do over here is we allow you to create the templates of your choice, be it marketing, be it utility, be it promotional. So you can create the templates of your choice, and there is no gap, like no cap on the number of the templates that you can create. And since it is a multi-user access, so it's like it is totally user agnostic. There is no cap on the number of the users that you can add to the platform, and at the same time there is no cap on the number of the channels that you can add to the platform. So let's say you are using WhatsApp chat support, if you are using Facebook Messenger, Instagram, email, so you can add all these channels under one roof itself. So this will definitely streamline your sales activities, and as well as will be a game changer for your support team as well. Now, since it is an multi-sharing inbox, so it is very inevitable that you assign a respective agent to the respective chat in order to maintain the integrity of the communication. So this is where the assign chat feature comes into the picture. Also, there are hundreds of chats coming in day and day out. So in order to filter out the chat easily, you can do the multi-labeling. Let's say you can do the labeling as per the geography. You can do it as per the tickets, that high priority tickets, low priority tickets. Likewise, you can create different sort of labels to easily filter out the chats. Also, we have bonus points for the team leaders as well, wherein they can leverage analytics to keep the constant monitoring of whether the customers are being catered to their request, whether the queries are being resolved on the time or not, and how fast the team is and how spontaneous the team is basically responding to the customers. So you can keep a track of each and everything using Control Hippo. Okay, and with that, there is also WhatsApp automation in place. So you can automate your follow-ups, you can automate your reminders. This is definitely going to be a game changer for the sales team, as we ourselves are using this and my team is also using it, and it is definitely a game changer for us, because we can totally be rest assured and we can focus on the qualifying the better leads, taking the high priority leads into the picture, and be rest assured with respect to the timely follow-ups. Yes. So now here we'll see that how added advantage Control Hippo adds up to the businesses. So here I like to take a pause over here and like to know from the audiences that so far what we have discussed over here is about the personalized communication which involves human intervention. So here I like to know that how important is automation for you all in your sales and support process? Would you like to have a combination of both human intervention as well as automation? So yeah, I can see over here that almost like 80% of the crowd feels that it is a crucial. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So as we can see over here that from here that the stats speaks that by 2025, 80% of the customer interactions will be managed without human interaction, which means that the communication will be seamless, response time will also improve. And as we all know, there is a significant shift in the communication landscape with AI booming the market. So we know that automation, chatbots are going to lead the space, right? So to stay ahead in this competitive space, Control Hippo also gives you an added advantage to integrate chatbots, which are AI powered chatbots. So it will help you to automate your mundane task, and so that your sales and the support team can focus on the complex and the higher priority ticket sizes. So this will not only like improve your customer response time, but it will also be a game changer for you. Okay, now let's see the benefits of that it can add to your business. Okay, so as we saw earlier, that by including AI powered chatbots and also by streamlining and having a unified communication platform, it can definitely accelerate your customer response time by multiple folds. We ourselves, our support team ourselves, is using the same platform, and we have seen a significant shift in the customer response time. This is definitely adding a value to our customers, and as we all know that every customer likes to be valued and understood, and if they feel that, it results into more customer loyalty and also results into better customer satisfaction, right? And with AI in place and with also personalized communication, it is definitely going to be more productive for the agents, because they can basically focus on the higher ticket sizes, more complex tickets, rather than investing the time in the mundane task and answering the same queries repeatedly again and again. So it is definitely going to be a game changer for the support team as well. And needless to say that it is going to be a value add for the sales team, because I myself, I am using this platform, and it's like timely follow-ups are, I feel it is a go-to approach. I would say that every business should leverage this. It will allow you also, moreover, the integration with the CRM. You can run and automate the cadences, you can automate the outreach sequences, and not only you can send the single template, but you can create multiple templates of your choice. You can change it as in when required. So it will definitely be a value add for the sales team and will help them in striving for more closures for the business. So eventually it is going to be a good game changer for your businesses as well. Yeah. So to sum it up over here, I would like to say that be where your customers are, be at the channel of their choice, be it WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, be it any channel. Just have a unified channel and the platform in place. Have a 360-degree view of your customers by integrating with the CRM. Gain the better insights about your sales and the support team. Have the centralized data. Reduce the juggling time, jumping from one platform to another. Have the streamlined workflows in place so that it becomes easier for the businesses to monitor the performance of the sales and the support team, and at the same time the sales and the support team find it easier to interact with the customers. Okay, so it's like this unified platform will definitely be a game changer. It will improve the customer response time, result into better customer satisfaction. And yeah, that's pretty much about Control Hippo. I would like to say thank you from my side, and the floor is open for questions. Over to you, Shubham.
Thank you, Saloni and Shelly. So the session was quite insightful, and I'd like to thank the presenters also. And now we'd like to hear from you. Please drop your questions in the chat, and we'll take time to answer them. You can start dropping your questions in the chat box.
I
So
think
yes,
there's a question.
yes,
How
we do
can
have.
Control Hippo help our team work smarter, not harder in sales and support? So
Yes.
I would add things up to this. So basically, the traditional methodology of sales and the way sales team has been working since long was just making cold calls. And same if I talk about the support team, it was all around just taking the chats and solving the resolution. automation was really something that things were not explored in that direction in terms of both sales and support team. But with the advancement of an omni-channel solution and Control Hippo and product like these, the automation has really come to the power. Now sales team, they can automatically run campaigns into the shared inboxes directly from the CRM itself. So the time they used to spend and it that gets reduced, and it also opens up a new channel for the team to relate and interact with the consumers. So now the hard work is not that important. The teams are able to work smartly, target the lead more precisely on the basis of the analytics and the data. They're able to have the geographic and firmographic information about the leads, and then they're able to customize the campaigns when they make a reach out to them, along with the AI driven suggestions. So all these things help the team eventually in terms of closing the deals. For the support team, automating the follow-up task saves the manual time, and the tickets, they are able to close it at a much better rate compared to what they were doing previously. So all in all, this helps the team work smarter and improve conversion for the sales team and reduces the TAT time for the support team.
Great. So there's another question which we have in the chat box. It says that, does it provide integration with Salesforce? I request relevant.
Yes, so I would like to take it up. So yes, the platform is pre-integrated with Salesforce, and the added advantage over here is you can chat from within the Salesforce itself. All the conversations will get synced into the CRM, which are happening via Control Hippo in the real time. And also, it's, let's say if the contact with whom you are interacting using Control Hippo is not available in your Salesforce CRM, so what it will do is it will automatically create a new contact in the Salesforce and sync all the conversations of that particular contact into the CRM. So you don't have to go to the CRM and manually create each and every contact. Yes.
Yeah, also there's one point to discuss over here. So in the chat, we have this point which says that as per Streets, 80% of support will get automated. Can we automate our chats using Control Hippo? So who can take this up?
I think I can add up to this. That's very true. So I think the industry has started shifting towards this direction itself. And yes, we can automate the chats, we can automate the workflows, everything can be set up in an omni-channel solution. And to add to this point, the chats can also be rotated on the agents automatically, and they have the pure visibility of everything. So I think it's convenient, it saves time manually assigning the chats to the operators and then taking this ahead.
Great. There's another question which we have in the chat box, which says that, what are the charges and how can we implement in our system? Hi, Saloni. Would you like to take this up?
Yeah, sure. So speaking about the charges, so we have like different models for this. So first of all, we'd like to understand more in detail regarding your requirement. So I would suggest if we can like get over a call to understand your requirement, so I can guide you more precisely and accurately based upon your requirement, understanding your use case. And then we can also give you a guided tour of the product as well. So in
Great.
order to, and also like there's one question that how can we implement it in our system? Yeah, so in the guided tour, we'll cover each and everything, and we'll allow, like we'll also assist you in setting up the product. So you can totally be rest assured with respect to the implementation of the system.
So I guess we had these many questions. Thank you for joining today's webinar. Hope it was helpful. Check your inbox soon for a follow-up email with resources and a webinar recording. Have a great evening, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everybody.